What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we have a little bit of an update for the Daily Driver project, HHR. It's been a minute since we last did a video on this. Let's get into it. So it's been a little while since the last update. Last time I left everybody, the clutch needed to be replaced. We had the car at tune time, was trying to get a dyno tune, and they could not give me a full tune because the clutch was slipping. I had to figure out how to buy a clutch and where to have it installed, some logistics issues, but that has all been taken care of. We are now going to pick up the car. Huge shout out to Jeff at Happy's Garage in Bloomingdale. They were the shop I decided to go to have the clutch taken care of. They've worked on my cars before. Jeff does an awesome job. Shout out to them. I'll link them in the description below. So the clutch has now been installed. That was my biggest hurdle. Now that it's installed, I have to drive like 500 miles in town to break it in, and then I have an appointment again with Tune Time Performance. They're gonna get me an updated dyno tune, and we'll have this car on the road, fully ready to go, hit the track, see what we got. Let's see how this turns out. Here we go. Jeff?
Sure. What are you up to, buddy?
Nothing. Here to get the car.
You haven't met Zach yet?
I haven't officially. Of course, that.
And you're going grass testing, huh?
Yeah, it's not like a pussyfoot. Jeff, give a little wave.
Uh-oh.
We're doing a little video for the YouTube.
Some YouTube bullshit. Annoying everybody.
We are all paid for. Now let's go see what we got. There she is, baby. I got the keys. It's paid for. It's ready to go. Let's take it out on the road and see what we're working with. Woo! All right. All right. Maiden voyage here. 94,319 miles. Ooh, wow. All right. That catches. That does not catch like stock, but catches better. All right. Wow, it catches there. And it catches like right away. Wow, that catches well. I talked to Ryan at DDP. He gave me a ton of help in terms of buying this clutch setup, which one to go with. Shout out to Ryan at DDP. I felt very confident in this clutch, which is the Clutch Master Stage 4. He said it drove the most like stock. I haven't done a full mile yet, but already it feels really good. It grabs low. It drive it. We got some miles on it now. It feels good. It definitely feels good. The shifting's a little sloppy. I'm gonna clean this thing up. But the clutch feels awesome. Very happy with it right now. Not so happy with the funds. Funds are not too thrilled with me, but we're just about done with this Daily Driver project, HHR. Looking forward to getting it tuned up by tune time. Getting it out on the track and seeing what it can do. Just want to say thank you to all the supporters. I truly appreciate it. Love the feedback. Love hearing from you guys. If you're new to the channel, if you can, hit like, hit subscribe. We got new content coming weekly, and now that this thing is back, we might even be doing bi-weekly updates. Thank you guys for the support. Shout out to Happy's Garage. Shout out to Tune Time Performance. My guys Lenny and Juan. I'm going to see them shortly. And shout out to Team Waka. All my guys in the chat roasting this thing daily. It's back. Let's see what we end up doing here. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace. The ride today is being provided by, and we have a navigator in the back.
Doing a lot. Not doing anything.
He's not doing anything. That's normal.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
That's our real navigator.
I said that.
Rock, I need you to say that.
Approaching a railroad track. In about 1,000 feet, make a right. I think 1,000. It's about 1,000 right.
1,000 rights? Yeah, actually, you're probably
It's
right.
1,000 rights.
A lot of squares.
Shout out to Jeff at Happy's Garage one more time for changing out the clutch here. Not a huge fan of the HHR. Told me I should get something worth being turboed, something imported from Japan. Thank you, Jeff. I'll keep it in mind. My man Jeff has a crazy fast Camaro IROC. It takes you to the track in like the 8 seconds. One day, Jeff. One day. Jeff doesn't watch YouTube either, so he's never going to see this. And lastly, shout out to my wife. Thank you for... Thank you for all your support. I love you, baby. Probably not going to put that in. I'm going to hear about that at work if that goes in. So, leave that on the cutting room floor. I'll put it in the bloopers. She doesn't watch that far into these videos anyway.